Mulch isn't always the best solution for your garden. In this video, you'll discover 10 ground cover plants that naturally suppress weeds, retain moisture, and improve your landscape without constant maintenance. Creeping thyme forms a dense mat that blocks weeds naturally. It's drought-tolerant, fragrant, and perfect for sunny areas. Sedum spreads slowly and covers soil effectively. It thrives in poor soil and requires very little water. Ajuga spreads quickly and fills empty spaces fast. Its colorful foliage adds interest even when not flowering. Vinca Minor is evergreen in many climates. It creates dense coverage that replaces traditional mulch. Creeping Jenny spreads rapidly and trails beautifully. It's excellent for borders, slopes, and containers. Pachysandra is ideal for shaded areas. It creates thick ground cover with minimal maintenance. Sweet Woodruff thrives in shade and spreads gently. It produces small white flowers and fragrant foliage. Lamium grows well in partial shade. Its variegated leaves brighten darker garden spaces. Mondo Grass creates a clean, modern ground cover look. It's slow-growing, but very low maintenance. Clover improves soil health while covering bare ground. It's a natural, eco-friendly alternative to mulch. These ground cover plants reduce maintenance while improving your garden naturally. Subscribe for more smart planting ideas and easy garden solutions.